days like today are a little rough because you put so much time and effort into this big race, and then Mother Nature just doesn't cooperate. So I can't even, there's nothing really to do. So yeah, we're just kind of in limbo. Let's go to the shop, see what's going on, and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Freaking Andy. He always tags my truck. Small change of plans. Talked to my buddy Hayden. He's not really doing much, so the weather is so-so, but it is dry. So we're gonna go out and try to play with the cameras a little bit, see if we can just improve our photography and video skills. See what happens. Hayden lives on this fancy side of town. Got cleaner in your hand.
Yeah, I know, because the vet is filthy.
So I found my way into Hayden's Z06. He's putting fuel. We're gonna go try to find a place real quick, do a little bit of shooting, and I'm gonna try to see if he can get on it a little bit. Yes, it does make me miss my vet. Should buy another vet.
Yeah.
Like, that's
what about when yours used to overheat? What did you do?
That never happened, so I don't know what you're talking about. Keep talking shit. I see fucking Christmas lights all over the damn dash on this one.
There's no lights on. It's a GM, it's normal.
Yeah. Man, this thing, it's pretty good.
It's alright, I'm used to it.
In case y'all didn't know, I had two, not just one, but previously owned two Corvettes. A C6 LS3 that was cam. And then I sold that and bought a real Z06, and I just absolutely love that car. But at that time, probably a year in of owning the Z06, we blew the motor in the Bullet, so I had to sell it. I had to sell it in order to let the Bullet live longer. You think it was a good decision or what?
I mean, I guess. I do miss the gray one.
The gray one sounded
I used to drive
so
the
good.
Shit out of that car.
Yeah, you did.
And I caught it on fire.
we're not gonna talk about that though.
Memories.
It's a lot of people waiting. I don't know when they're waiting. Must be some good tacos over there or something. Photo shoot. Now we're gonna go try a different spot. Losing a little bit of daylight, but that's okay. Bayou City. Let's get these photos done. It's a good spot.
Yeah.
It's popular here in Houston to shoot here with the skyline in the back. It's time. Let's find out who won that shirt and decal. Got the video up, and there are 90 of you who commented, so we'll use that number. And 27 won. Let's sort this by newest first. So this is the first comment here. We'll go 27. 27 Black Dahlia. Congrats, you won. Big congrats. Make sure you send me a message with all your info and I'll get that stuff out to you. That's it for today. We gotta take the car to the shop just to go over some small stuff, and the bump box sounds like it's working. I just wanna try it out live to make sure that everything goes well before we go to any track. See what kind of stuff we get into between now and Street Car Takeover. For now, I'm gonna go find some work to do.